for anyone that would like to do soldering and need to know what type of torch to actually get. I'm soft flame, and it's on the MAP gas bottle. You can actually screw it onto the propane if you'd like. And what I mean by soft flame is it's not really got the, you know, the force behind it like you hear like a jet on there. This is a turbo torch head that actually fits on the MAP gas bottle. And I have a turbo torch that fits on a B tank. This one goes on the B tank. But I wanted to show you guys a difference. With the turbo torch, it automatically comes with a striker inside of it.